Hello friends, today I have another cleaning product. It's by BAYES and it's a performance stainless steel cleaner and protectant. It cleans, shines and protects, and it can be used on indoor and outdoor stainless steel surfaces. Today I'm going to show you how it cleans my stainless steel refrigerator, and let's see the demo. So this is my refrigerator by Frigidaire, and I'll just spray a little bit on it, especially the handles, and I'll use a non-abrasive soft cloth to just wipe it off. So I'll be using, you don't really have to go back and forth a lot. It really cleans in one stroke. So just a little bit will go a long way. You just have to spray a little bit of it, especially these handles which are being used a lot. The kids are at home because of the coronavirus thing. E-learning is going on, and after every half an hour someone or the other is standing by the refrigerator looking for something to eat. And if you feel like you have to spray more, you spray a little bit more product and clean. Let me spray a little bit more and clean and show you the final result. So this is the final look. If you can see how shiny it is, you can see me waving in there. Have a look here. Oh, nice. So this is all nice, neat and clean, very easy to clean, just a little spray, and then look at the shiny handle. It's a very nice commercial stainless steel cleaner which we can use at least once a week. Agent which I wanted to share it with you all. I also clean inside of this thing here, over here, and everything over here too. Yeah, I think you can also get this thing online. I don't know where my husband ordered this from, and you can easily find it online. This is the company, High Performance Stainless Steel Cleaner and Protectant. Okay, keep healthy everyone, stay safe, and keep watching the videos. Take care. Goodbye.